For the last 30 days, I spent $0 on shooting a UGC video, 0 hours coordinating with creators, and ended up with 12 finished ad videos ready to run. How? Let me break it down. Creating quality UGC ads is a pain. First, you spend days just trying to find the right person, then you go back and forth on the brief, then you wait for the shoot, then edits, more editing, and at the end of it all, zero guarantee it's actually gonna perform. That's exactly why I decided to test MakeUGC. It's a platform that claims you can create a full UGC video with a realistic AI avatar in literally a couple of minutes. You write a script, pick an avatar, and you can get a ready-to-run ad. I was skeptical, seriously, but let's see what actually happened. Alright, so I'm already inside the platform, and the first thing you need to do is pick an avatar. Basically the person who is going to be talking in your ad. And this is where MakeUGC genuinely surprised me. They've got this huge avatar library. Guys, girls, different ages, different vibes. There are young people in casual outfits, more professional looking ones, and avatars that literally look like regular shoppers holding their phone.
Hi there, welcome to MakeUGC. We are excited to collaborate with you on your next campaign.
Okay.
Let's dive in together and create some...
Hi there, welcome to MakeUGC. We are excited to collaborate with you on your next campaign. Let's dive in together.
This girl right here looks like a normal person just talking in a story. I honestly wouldn't have guessed that's AI. Okay, avatar selected. Let's keep going. Next up, the script. That's what your avatar is actually going to say. You can write it yourself, just type it into the field, or you can use the built-in AI assistant to generate it right inside the platform. I'm gonna go with the AI assistant and pick the product review prompt. For the demo, I'm just putting in a basic product description, then the AI will polish it up on its own. And that's it. Okay, script is done. Now I need to generate a voice for the avatar. Let me pick one that fits.
Hi everyone, so today I wanted to talk about my recent trip
Hello,
to...
I'm David.
Hi, my name's Amber and I absolutely...
Hi everyone, so today I wanted to talk...
Alright, got the voice I wanted. Generating now.
Stop scrolling. My skin hasn't looked like this in years.
Yes,
I'm not even exaggerating.
Really good actually. Now let me generate the full video. I'm hitting the generate button, and this is where it gets interesting. While the video is rendering, let me walk you through two features that I think genuinely set MakeUGC apart from the competition. First one is talking actor. This isn't just an avatar moving its mouth. It's a realistic face animation with natural movement, facial expressions, hand gestures, the whole thing. It looks like a real video shoot on someone's phone. Really. The second one is product in hand. You upload a photo of your product and the AI literally places it in the avatar's hand. Oh my god, it's not Photoshop. It generally looks like the person is actually holding your product. They also have Sora 2, Grok, and Seedance built in. While our video is still generating, let me show you something cool. This is a library of ready-made UGC templates that you can just grab and adapt for whatever you need. Product ads, app ads, service ads, it's all here. Here are a couple examples.
I just got this set from FitMuse and I'm actually obsessed with it. It fits so well and feels really comfortable for workouts. If you're looking...
All you have to do is drop in an image of your product and tell the avatar what to say. Here is another one.
This rare skin foundation has been my everyday go-to lately. It blends so easily and looks really natural on my skin.
And there is also a full automation section with different workflow templates. The ads hook one is really solid. It's designed to stop the scroll, grab attention, and actually sell the product. Check this out. All you have to do is swap in your own product and the templates does the rest. I think that's genuinely impressive. Okay, video is ready. Let's watch
Stop scrolling. My skin hasn't looked like this in years. I'm not even exaggerating. 2 weeks ago, my face was dull, a little bumpy, and makeup just sat weird on top. I started using this cream every morning and night, and it's honestly been a reset. First thing, it's super light, like it disappears in seconds. No greasy film, no sticky feeling, and it doesn't pill under sunscreen. But the real test, my skin feels smoother, looks brighter, and those dry patches around my nose are basically gone. Even my friend asked what I changed. If you've been stuck in the nothing works phase, try this. I put the link in the description.
Honestly, I'm impressed. The lip sync is perfect. The head movement looks natural. If this came up in my feed as an ad, I wouldn't be able to tell it's not a real person. That's actually wild. You could literally just add a product photo and start running ads with this. So, who actually needs this? If you are running ads on Facebook or TikTok, UGC format converts way better than regular banners. If you are doing dropshipping or have your own brand on a marketplace, you can create quality content without a whole production crew. If you run an agency, you can scale content creations for your clients 10 times faster. And you can get started for literally $1. They give you a trial so you can test everything yourself before committing. The link to MakeUGC is in the description below. You will also find a promo code there if there is one available when you are watching this. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, it genuinely makes a difference for the channel. And subscribe, because I regularly test AI tools like this and give you my honest take on what actually works. See you in the next one. Peace.